Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody contacted me on Facebook, and they're talking about the letters when they're putting on path, the text to path, especially on the bottom. The letters uh, bleed into or squish up into the center. And that's only nature of the product. And I've got a video I think out there just like this, but I'm trying to reduplicate this for this young lady. So grab your text, and I don't know what Texas was. Uh, it came up that I didn't have your text. But just go to text the path, and put it on your path, and you're going to see it's going to be upside down. But just kind of get it in the center. I should get a red line, and there we are. And then mirror it one direction, mirror it the other direction, and you can see how they are squashed up just a little bit right here. Well, then all you have to do is take your shape tool and grab this skew handle and just skew them out a little bit until you're happy. And if one looks more, let's back up one step. All the other ones look pretty good except for the N and the B. You can grab just that one and just move that one letter. Well, no, you can't with that. Let's back up. But you can grab that one text and go along your path with that one letter. Let's go with the B. And then what I would do is select those three. It's kind of hard to select those three. And I would move them all up to give you some space between your hunt. And you could do the same thing with the hunt. Grab those four and just back it up along the deal. And then you could take your T and move it down a little bit. You're always going to get a little bit of squash because unless you space them out quite a bit, because the fact that you're trying to put the letters that are on the bottom on the top, and they're just going to squash. But you could work around that and play around with that and stretch them out quite a bit, and then just kind of put them back. I hope that helped them a little bit, and thank you for watching.